On today's episode, can I get rich off just a welder and a YouTube channel? Well, I'll be honest with you. I'm definitely not at a good start. I'm like 2 weeks in and got me an order today from Custom Ink. Okay? Let's go ahead and open it. So I've tried brush order tees before, was not happy with the quality of them, so I figured I would try custom ink. Let's see here. Here's the front. Nice. Here's the back. What do you guys think? Actually, shirt feels nice. The print looks pretty good, I think. Okay. All right. We'll have to wash it and see how that turns out. But I kind of dig it. So far, Custom Ink shirt feels nice. Kind of like it. I figured I need a little color in my life because literally I just have a million of these black Hanes t-shirts and the neck gets all stretched out. They fit weird, you know, because I'm built like a chimpanzee. So I was like, you know what? Let me add some color in my life. So, like I said before, tried brush order tees. I thought they was totally garbage. So why not try a different one? But I will say, the bad start of me becoming a billionaire with a welder and just a YouTube channel. This cost me $40 freaking dollars, guys. $40 is what this cost me. So, already in the hole. Let's open the next package. Alright, look at there. There's the next one. Okay. So I did a little camo. That way I can sneak up on the junk I'm about to weld. You know what I mean? Is that flat bill? I don't want a flat bill. Anywho, I think it turned out pretty good. Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys like it? This was also $40, just so you guys know. This also cost me $40 from Custom Ink. So this was $40 and this was $40. Okay? Let me know if it was worth it. Did I waste my money? Or is there a better way of doing this? I don't know. I'm new at this, so let me know. I do know so far, I actually think this looks way better than brush order. I came up with all these designs myself. So thank you. If you even care. Anywho, now I'll be able to sneak up on that junk because it's camo. Alright, that is it for this episode. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, tell your family members. And who knows, maybe one day I'll have me a merch store. For right now, it's not going to happen because this was $40, that was $40. And, you know, and I like being full control of everything. So I don't like the whole drop ship thingy, bobber. And it's probably too soon of my YouTube career to even do a merch store. But I definitely wanted to, you know, spice it up a little bit because all I wear is black t-shirts and blue jeans. So if not, nobody wants to buy the merch, I'm definitely going to be making merch for myself just so I have a little bit more color in my life, okay? So anywho, peace and love. See you in the next one.